So students, today we will start a new chapter of your GK book. It is chapter number 21. Do you know? In our previous class, we have finished till page number 24, chapter 20. Okay. So let's start chapter number 21 today. The question asks us, tick the correct answer in each sentence. So basically there are two options given inside the sentence. We have to tick the correct one. So the first question is, there are 9 or 7 colors in light. So we have to choose the right answer. That is 7. Do you know which 7? Vibgyor. Okay. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay. That is, we can also say as Vibgyor. Okay. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, R for red. So there are 7 colors in light. Question number 2. The Olympic symbol has 5 or 6 circles joined together. The correct answer is 5 circles. Okay. The Olympic symbol has 5 circles joined together. Next. Question number 3. India Gate is situated in Mumbai or Delhi? So the correct answer is New Delhi. Okay. The India Gate is situated in New Delhi. Question number 4. India's highest mountain peak is Mount Everest or Godwin Austen or K2. Okay. Godwin Austen is also known as K2. So the correct answer is Godwin Austen, K2. Okay. India's highest mountain peak is Godwin Austen, K2. Question number 5. The camel is also called the sheep or train of the desert. The camel is also known as the sheep of the desert because it can easily go through the desert, or we can, whenever we sit on a camel, it can take us throughout the desert very easily. Okay, that's why it is also called the sheep of the desert. Australia is also known as the down under or dark continent. Australia is also known as the down under continent. Okay, down under continent. Why? Because it is below to the equator. Okay, there are equator lines present on Earth. Okay, on Earth graph. So as Australia is below the equator line, that's why it is called as down under continent. Okay. Question number 7. River horse is another name for zebra or hippopotamus? River horse is another name for hippopotamus. Okay. The river Nile or Amazon is the longest river in the world. Nile. Okay. The river Nile is the longest river in the world. Longest river is Nile. Okay. Question number 9. Teak or willow wood is used to make cricket bats. Willow wood. Okay. Willow wood is used to make cricket bats. So technically we can say that, or technically willow wood can be classified as a hardwood, but itself it is very soft and wet. Okay. So while while playing cricket, when we hit the ball, it does not get bend or any defect appears. Okay, that's why we use willow wood during playing cricket. Okay, for making bats. A watermelon or apple content 92% water. A watermelon. Okay. A watermelon contains 92% of water. Now students, open page number 26, chapter number 22. Special fathers. Okay, special fathers. Name these famous people by referring to the below. Name these famous people by referring to the below. So, father of Indian cinema. Father of Indian cinema. So, Dada Saheb Phalke. Dada Saheb Phalke is known as father of Indian cinema. There is also Phalke Award. Okay, Dada Saheb Phalke Award for special achievements in Indian cinema. Okay, it is awarded to special actors or actresses for their best performances. So Dada Saheb Phalke is the father of Indian cinema. Next. Father of English literature. Father of English literature. Geoffrey Chaucer. Okay. Geoffrey Chaucer is known as father of English literature. Students, you know that I have already forwarded you a quotation related to him during English Literature Day. So Geoffrey Chaucer is known as father of English literature. Next, question number 3. Father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi is known as father of our nation. Father of medicine. So who is father of medicine? Hippocrates. Hippocrates is known as father of medicine. Okay, question number 4. Hippocrates. Father of oil painting. Father of oil painting. Okay. So who is father of oil painting? Jan van Eyck. Okay. Jan van Eyck. Next, question number 6. Father of electric battery. Electric battery. Alessandro Volta. Alessandro Volta is known as father of electric battery that we are using today. Okay, electric batteries are widely used around the world today, and Alessandro Volta is known as father of electric battery. Next, father of computer. Father of computer is Charles Babbage. We also know that Charles Babbage is also known as father of computer. Father of modern astronomy. Father of modern astronomy. So who is he? Copernicus. Okay. Copernicus is father of modern astronomy. Next, question number 5. Father of FM radio. Who is father of FM radio? Edwin Howard Armstrong. Okay. Edwin Howard Armstrong is known as father of FM radio. Question number 10. Father of modern music. John Sebastian Bach. John Sebastian Bach is known as father of modern music. So basically, these persons, okay, the name we are writing here, these persons invented or paid a main contribution toward invention of these things. Okay. Next, students, we will go to next page, page number 27. Finished products, chapter number 23. Finished products. Match the products with the material from which they are made. match the products with the materials from which they are made. So basically, on the left side, in on the left column, the product name is written, and on the right column, the components name are written from which they are made or created. Okay. So first product, jam. So jam is made from crushed fruit and sugar. Okay. So one goes with bit C. Similarly, number two, soft drinks goes with F. Bit number F, carbonated water. Question number three, kerosene oil goes with bit number A, petroleum. Okay, petroleum. Question number four, steel goes with bit number E, iron and carbon. Question number five, paper. Paper goes with wood pulp. Okay, wood pulp. Question number six, glass. Question number six, glass goes with silica. Okay. Question number six, glass goes with silica. Question number seven, cornflakes. Cornflakes goes with bit number I, maize. Question number eight, pencils. Pencils goes with graphite. Okay. So pencil's lead, okay, that we are writing on book or copy is made from graphite. Okay. Question number nine, bottles. Bottles goes with bit number D, plastic and glass. Okay, plastic, glass. Question number 10, chocolate. Chocolate goes with cocoa beans. Chocolates goes with cocoa beans. Question number 11, bread. Bread. So bread grows with flour, water, yeast, etc. Okay, flour, water, yeast, and etc. CD, DVD, compact disc or DVD goes with plastic and a layer of aluminum. Okay, so CD and DVD is made up of plastic and a layer of aluminum. Okay, students. So this chapter is also finished. Now we will go to page number 28. That is chapter number 24. Okay. What is in a name? Chapter name is what is in a name. So we have to tick the correct answer. So there are two options given inside the sentence. We have to choose the correct one. Big Bertha or Big Ben is the name of the clock tower on the northeastern end of British Parliament building in London. So the correct answer is Big Ben. Okay, Big Ben. This picture represents Big Ben. Next, question number 2. Hampi or Hyderabad is famous for its ruins on the bank of the river of Tungabhadra. Hampi or Hyderabad? Which one is the correct answer? Hampi. Okay. Hampi is famous for its ruins on the banks of the river Tungabhadra. Question number 3. Bandy or hockey is the national game of Russia. The correct answer is bandy. Okay, bandy. So what is bandy? Bandy is similar to ice hockey. Okay, bandy is similar to ice hockey. It consists of it consists of 8 to 11 players. Okay, 8 to 11 players can play bandy at a time, who wear skates and use curved stick to hit ball. So this is known as bandy. It's just like ice hockey. Next, Florence Nightingale or Gertrude Bell is known as the lady with the lamp. Florence Nightingale. Okay, correct answer is Florence Nightingale is known as the lady with the lamp. Question number 5. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is in Mumbai or New Delhi? The correct answer is Mumbai. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is in Mumbai. Question number 7. Greenland or Antarctica is where the Inuits or Eskimos live. Greenland or Antarctica is where the Inuits or Eskimos live. The correct answer is Greenland. Okay. So Eskimos are basically peoples who lives on icelands. Okay, ice cold areas, extremely cold weather. Okay, those persons live inside the extreme cold weather, just like we are living in a tropical area. Similarly, these persons, Eskimos or Inuits, live in extreme cold weather. Next, scuba driving or cliff diving is an underwater sport. Scuba driving. Okay, scuba driving is an underwater sport. Here, this picture represents scuba driving. Question number 8. A seahorse is a type of a horse or fish? Fish. The correct answer is fish. A seahorse is a type of fish. Question number 9. Gateway of India is in Delhi or Mumbai? Correct answer is Mumbai. Gateway of India is in Mumbai. Question number 10. Prophet Muhammad was born in Mecca or Medina? Prophet Muhammad was born in Mecca. Okay, Mecca is a place. Question number 11. The kangaroo is native to Australia or New Zealand? The kangaroo is native to Australia. Okay. Question number 12. The author of Madeline series is Ludwig Bemelmans or Thomas Hardy? The correct answer is Ludwig Bemelmans. Okay, the correct answer is Ludwig Bemelmans. So Madeline series is written by Ludwig Bemelmans.